that shut?
Give it Andy to open up for you.
This is nice.
Yeah. You can't hear the radios.
You're gonna put CB on that side? Have the little coil thing hanging down?
Pocket to put all your stuff in.
Oh, that's great. Oh, that's awesome. It almost feels like a beefed up go-kart.
Yeah, that's about it.
So how long have you had this truck?
This one, maybe a year. Maybe not quite a year. I've been working on it since I got it to get it the way I want it.
Now, when you bought it, what did it look like?
It looked like this, but it had a little car on the door and some writing. I didn't like it. And had a different gas tank, which didn't have a gas gauge in it. I wanted a gas gauge. I was going to put a V8 in, but I'm going to do a 4.3 is plenty.
I can smell that high quality fuel.
Yeah. Know how I get out?
Oh, yeah, from the outside, right?
No. Pull that forward.
This?
Yeah.
Toward me?
Forward.
Like that. Wow. Mind blown.
You never thought it, huh?
So that's the date rape truck right there. Date can't get out. Well, thank you. That was fun.
What do you think of my little toy truck?
Oh, it's a hoot. You want to trade it for a T-Bird? Trade you a T-Bird.